Indexing in Google is getting smarter day by day. So Google can understand now whether the content you are uploading it's AI generated or it's human generated. Welcome back to Future Tech Words. I, Prab, will help you understand how to use ChatGPT effectively. Now, what is ChatGPT? You guys are already aware, and I have uploaded lots of video regarding the same. So you can check in my description about the same videos. Moreover, in today's video, we are going to understand if you want to make your website, what kind of content you should use, how to make that content, how to write your YouTube scripts, how to write your blogs, and I will share one pro tip by the end of this video. So make sure that you are watching the entire video. It's going to be a little bit longer, but I am assuring you that you will find it fruitful at the end of this video. If you also wanted to use ChatGPT in a professional way, then I would recommend you to install one extension in your Chrome. Let me show you how you do that. So you need to install AIPRM Chat GPT extension. If you will search it like this, you just need to go to that extension and you need to install it in your Chrome. Once you will do that, the complete entire surface of ChatGPT will look like this. That means here you will be getting a lot of prompts. So how to use this AIPRM ChatGPT prompt? It's very good and very beneficial, guys. Let me tell you very clearly. But the problem is that Google is playing very smarter these days. Google can understand whether the content you are making it's AI generated or human generated, right? But we are going to play even smarter by doing a little bit work from our own end as well. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to go to topics, and from here we can check all the different topics related to these prompts which are available in ChatGPT with the help of AIPRM ChatGPT prompts. So as of now, this extension is available free of cost. Okay, so if you wanted to make content for your website, or you wanted to write a YouTube script or anything, okay, so you can do that with the help of all these prompts. So let's discuss about SEO first, okay? Because in SEO only we will be getting all those prompts which are definitely more and more important as far as our websites or maybe blogs are concerned. Okay, so first prompt over there that you can see is human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. If you use this particular prompt, you will get absolutely human written content as per ChatGPT. Okay, but we also need to check it whether it's AI generated or it's human generated. So we need to check whether Google can detect this or not. Okay, let's quickly write something over here, give commands to ChatGPT. So write content for Metaverse home page for my website or anything. Okay, so let's give commands to this ChatGPT and see what content we are getting. So here in this particular answer the ChatGPT is providing to us, it is giving us all the information that we need to write for Metaverse website on the home page, right? So this can be the title of my website homepage, that the metaverse, a new digital world. Then I can write more about this, and what is metaverse, why metaverse is important, using metaverse on your website's homepage. So now here ChatGPT is not only giving you the content that you need to write on the homepage, but also it is giving you a lot other informations, right? creating a metaverse experience, and many more. Now let's quickly check that as well, whether the content this which is generated by ChatGPT, it's AI generated. Google can detect whether it's AI generated or it's human generated, right? So for that, let me just open anything like AI detection. Okay, so this is a kind of tool that you can use. Maybe I think we have this one as well, copy leaks. So I personally recommend copy leaks because it is very much reliable and useful according to me. So let's quickly see whether the content which is generated by ChatGPT, it's completely showing as indexable. That means it's AI generated or something else. Okay, so I am going to log into Copy Leaks with my Future Techverse ID only, or maybe another ID. Okay, no problem. So I need to go to new scan here, then I can put free text option also, and I am getting URL option as well. Okay, so if I insert any URL option, then I can detect whether the content in this particular URL is AI related or it's human generated. Let's go with free text right now and click on scan button. Okay, so this is how you can check whether the content that you are making with the help of ChatGPT, it is human generated or AI generated. So this is the most important part. Now let's open one document as well so that we can make enough changes and see how everything works. So it is loading. It's going to take minimum uh, 1 or 2 minutes maybe. So let's wait and let's see. So it's already detecting that these words, these lines which are in red color or maybe in orange color, these are taken from this particular sources, right? So this is how Google works. So we need to be very, very careful here. Now let's see, we have already observed that this particular line is showing in red color. Now I need something which can make it more human generated, right? So what I can do, I have one option, whether I can just copy paste this content and make necessary changes, like metaverse is a collective virtual shared space. So we can write it like metaverse is a simply virtual reality shared space that is created by convergence of multiple virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the internet, right? So this is a kind of sentence that we have. We can make little bit changes in that, or other option that we have is to open one more tool, that is quillbot.com. So if I go to quillbot.com, here I can copy paste the same content and click on paraphrase. Okay, so I will be able to paraphrase this. Now what I can do, I will again go to this particular scan option. So we can see 18 results are already found. This one is already done. Let's go to new scans and let's see the content that we have paraphrased with the help of Quillbot, whether it's AI generated or it's human generated. So it is going to again take 1 or 2 minutes maybe. This is how you can turn your content in more human way, right? So here it will help you to get more indexing, good indexing in on the Google, and it is going to be definitely help for all of us. I personally use it for my website, which is futuretechverse.com. I am going to share link of my website in the chat box or maybe in the description, but I will definitely recommend all of you guys to use this particular tool, because this is going to make you understand whether Google is going to index your content or not, right? So let's see, let's wait for 1 minute maybe more. Meanwhile, guys, if you have any questions related to the tools that I am using, do not worry, because I am going to share the links of each and every tool that I am using in this particular video. But in case you have any doubt and you want me to create a dedicated video for Quillboard tool or maybe for Copy Leaks tool, do let me know. I will definitely do the needful for all of you guys. Okay, so I think it's already done. So yeah, it's done. So 0% match. The content that we have paraphrased with the help of Quillboard, now it is showing as absolutely human generated. That means this is not AI generated content, right? So this is how you can check whether the content that you are using with the help of ChatGPT, it's AI generated or human generated, and whether Google is going to index it or not. Okay, I hope this part is clear to all of you guys. Let's quickly see what all other options do we have. So here, second prompt that I find very useful for myself, it's fully SEO optimized article including FAQs. Let's suppose I wanted to write a content or a blog post. So here I just need to give command to ChatGPT that write a blog post along with headings, conclusion, and FAQs for the topic um, virtual reality. Okay, now we are going to give command for the for another topic related to metaverse, which is definitely my favorite topic, which is virtual reality. Now here, see, it is not only giving you the content that you can write in your blog, but also the title. So the title is also suggested by ChatGPT in this particular prompt. So this is the title that you need to use for your blog post. This is the meta description that you can use, and here is the content. Okay, these are all the headings that you can see and you can utilize in your blog post, and the FAQs are definitely written by uh, this prompt only. Now once this prompt will let you know that these are the headings that you can use, now it is going to write this same content for you. Like the first question, if you see, first heading was what is virtual reality, it is over here. A brief history of virtual reality, it's again here. How does virtual reality works, it's again here, right? So all the headings that you were given by ChatGPT, it is going to explain everything for you guys. Okay, now this is how your job will become easy, and very helpful tool this is, guys, and I definitely recommend you to utilize this tool. But play it smart. Let's play around with other tools as well, and you can make your metaverse website very easily. Okay, apart from that, I let's see which tool I find it more useful. Okay, this one, this is definitely a lovely prompt that I find in AIPRM. Let's suppose I wanted to create a website for metaverse. Okay, so I used it personally for myself. uh, so I can see that I am getting a lot of options here, right? So I can make a home page where I can explain these things. Then I can make a page about metaverse, metaverse technology, metaverse design, metaverse community, applications, news and updates, right? So this is how, by using this silo structure, I'm not sure about the pronunciation, please pardon me for the same. So by using this silo structure, you can create a website that is organized and easy to navigate, both for your visitors and search engines. It's important to focus on creating high quality content and optimizing your site for SEO to improve your chances of ranking well in Google. Make sure to include internal links between related pages. So it is going to give you a lot of information how to utilize the silo or silo structure properly, right? So you can definitely go ahead and you utilize this particular option. I personally find it very useful for myself. Apart from that, so we have 514 prompts for SEO only, guys. So it is going to be a great help if you can, you know, download this AIPRM prompt or Chrome extension for yourself. YouTube tag generated with keyword. Let's suppose I wanted to create tags for Metaverse. Okay, now it is going to create all the tags that I can use while creating or uploading video on the YouTube. These are the tags that I should be using for Metaverse, right? So this is how you will get a lot of information with this tool. I'm going to stop it and show you other other tools or other prompts as well in this. Let me click on new chat. Okay, so here what other things that I find useful. Okay, this one is also very useful. So if you are going to create a local business for Metaverse or for any other website, I will definitely recommend you to use this particular prompt, because this is going to optimize your Google business profile. Definitely I would recommend to explore it yourself, or maybe do let me know if you wanted to create me video for GMB specifically, because it is going to be a totally different topic. So I'm going to keep it in the parking lot for the meanwhile. Okay, let's see what other topics that we have. SEO meta description. So although we have already covered this prompt previously, because we have one uh, prompt called FAQs, right? So in FAQ related prompt, we have already covered that it is going to give information of title, meta description, and all the things. But here they have added it separately as well. Okay, so this is how you can utilize chat gpt for your websites, for everything. Okay, so YouTube SEO complete package, title, description, tag plus social media promotion. Let's suppose I wanted to write something about Metaverse, or maybe upload something about Metaverse like I am doing it right now. So thank you for using this prompt. I appreciate chasing whereabouts for creating it. So it is giving me a link to visit. Now here are three catchy YouTube titles related to English Metaverse. Okay, now it is going to give me options of description. Option number one is this, option two, maybe option three, whatever options it is going to provide me. So now you might be able to understand that you are not only getting information from ChatGPT, but you are getting a different options as well, so that you can choose it according to your requirements, right? Here's a sample social media post. So tags are also given in this particular prompt. I will definitely recommend to use this particular prompt because I personally use it for myself and I'm loving it. Okay, so this is how you can utilize everything. Interlinking suggestions, so I will make maybe another video for the same if you guys want me to make it. YouTube keyword research and hashtags, SEO optimize, YouTube type beat, title, description. But personally I like this one because this is going to give me complete information about everything, right? Apart from that, I wanted to show last one, my last favorite prompt, which is available over here. Let's see, where is it? So with the help of that particular uh, prompt, we can write YouTube script as well. So I personally use it and I am loving it. Let's see where it is. Just give me a few seconds to find it out for you guys. Even if guys you are not able to find it out, so we have other option as well. How you can do that, let me show you. So write a YouTube script for Metaverse short video. Let's suppose I wanted to create a short video. Now it is going to write a YouTube script for all of you guys. So here it's not really important that you go to the specific prompt only, but even if you're not able to find that prompt, you can just give command smartly to ChatGPT and it is going to make your job easy. Okay, even if you are not liking this particular content, let's suppose, you can stop generating and click on regenerate the response. Now it is going to create another response for you guys. Okay, this is how I would recommend all of you guys to use ChatGPT, so that your content will get indexing if you are making website or maybe writing a blog for yourself, and even if you are making a YouTube video. So I would recommend that please have a look at ChatGPT as well. Now, as promised, I am going to share one pro tip with all of you guys. Okay, so let's suppose now you might be wondering that yes, ChatGPT is useful. You have shared all the steps and all the things that we can do to utilize ChatGPT effectively. But let me tell you guys, till now I have shared that how to use ChatGPT smartly. Now I am going to let you know how to use it effectively. Now let's suppose there is a part that you cannot get data up, after 2021 with the help of ChatGPT. But now this issue will also be resolved in this particular video only. Let's suppose you liked any content which you find useful. Let's suppose you were just playing around with news and you saw that this news is very useful and you wanted to write a blog or maybe record a YouTube video around this, right? So you just, what you need to do is you just need to copy the content and then you can paste it over here. And we have one option as well, I think. Yeah, so let me find that as well for you. It is going to rewrite the entire article for you with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, here it is. Rewrite article keyword rich content. So you will click on it, you will just copy paste and send it to ChatGPT. Now what will happen? It is going to read the data that you have provided to ChatGPT. Now it is going to recreate and rewrite this particular article for you guys. This is how, even if GPT is not aware what happened after 2021, but still, if you provide that information to AI, it is definitely going to help you. That's all for this particular video. I hope you like it and you might get some useful information that I have covered about ChatGPT and other two tools that we have covered in this video. Do let me know in the comment section if you want to cover other such topics, or maybe if you want me to cover any video, specific video for copy leaks or for the Quillbot. I will definitely cover it for you. Till now, we have covered everything free of cost. It is not going to charge anything to you guys. So that's all. Do let me know how you like this video, how much this information was useful to you guys, and have a great one ahead.